Hi guys, welcome to K-Tops, your favorite channel for games and tricks. In this tutorial I will show you how to get virtually unlimited Steam codes without you needing to pay for it. This is directly approved by Steam. So let me clarify, this is not a hack, this is not an exploit. Steam will be paid real money for these codes, for the allocations of these credits. So basically it works like this. You're going to watch some video ads or something along those lines just for a couple of minutes, and then a pretty significant amount of money will be added to your Steam account, which is converted into coins. So for example, I could receive $100 credits for basically watching 4 minutes worth of video ads on this website, and it works anywhere in the world. So I'm gonna show you in this tutorial how you can sign up, how to use it. It is really easy and simple, and this level of advertisement made for Steam codes just was released this year. It is 100% legit, it does not break any rules, and it is in fact pre-approved by Steam. So guys, if you're interested in this video and you know you're going to use it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, the first step is to go to the website I am showing right now. Here you can get virtually unlimited Steam codes. The only requirement is to qualify first, but do not worry guys, it is really easy and it takes only 2 minutes or less. Just answer the questions and you will be ready to go. Okay guys, I hope you have enjoyed our video. This is especially for people who love Steam and want to get games and other premium content for free. If you want me to review more sites like this, let me know in the comments if you like this type of content, and if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps to push this content, and have a great day and enjoy this giveaway.